Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's Catherine Gibson, your independent Scentsy consultant, and I just got a whole bunch of goodies on my porch yesterday, but by the time I got around to opening them, it was dark out, and so I wanted to take a few minutes right now today to open these up and smell them for you. So this is a new collection that just launched on January 10th. It is available while supplies last. It includes an oil collection, a bar collection, 3 bars that are only available in the set, or you can add them individually to your Scentsy club. There is a fragrance flower. There is a soak, which is one of my favorite products of all time. I take a lot of baths, especially in the winter. It's just wonderful. And there's more to the collection. These are the goodies that I got, so let's get right to it with the bars. The first one is called It's Love. It's got this adorable pink packaging with cute lips and hearts and XOs all over it. And I honestly have not opened it until now. I wanted to give you my honest first impressions. Okay, this is really good. I'm so happy. I don't have the descriptions in front of me, but I feel like there might be a little bit of grapefruit in this. It's sweet, like candy, girly. It's really, really nice. I can't wait to melt that one. That's It's Love. Next is Together Forever. It's purple packaging. It's got hearts and flowers. It's purple wax. Okay, this one smells like a little more musky and floral almost. It's also very pretty, not overpowering at all. I really enjoy that one too. And then the last one is called You're the One. It's got this really cute teal color, again with the hearts and flowers, teal wax. It's very pretty. Okay, I can't get a good sense of it. It's hard for me to put my finger on what this is exactly. I will include the official description down below, but they are all really nice scents. None of them made me go ew, which does happen sometimes. So those I definitely recommend if you're looking just for like a little winter pick-me-up. That's a great bar bundle, and it comes with all 3 bars. Next is our oil collection. It's a set of 3 oils. So normally our oils are sold individually and they're a 15 ml bottle. When we have collections, they're a little 5 ml bottle. The first is called Roses and Romance. So I'm expecting floral. Definitely rosy. Not pure rose though. Rose oil is insanely expensive. Let's see, there are descriptions here. So soft roses, embrace geranium, which is wonderful, and sparkling sugar crystals. So it's floral, but again, it's not overpowering. So that's really beautiful. New Love Jitters. It's got this pretty apricot color, little lips on the top. And this, oh, I can't wait to smell this based on the description. This is perfect. Vibrant bergamot, which I love. It's super uplifting. Greets mandarin orange with a bouquet of jasmine. All good things, and they blend so beautifully in this oil. That's New Love Jitters. Again, these are available only in the set and only while supplies last. The last one, this sounds fun. Pink Berries and Bubbly. So it's got strawberry. Oh, wow. And raspberry and champagne bubbles. And I don't know how exactly you capture the smell of a bubble, but they've done it. This is really, really pretty. Great set, again, if you love just kind of like fun, flirty scents and something, again, a little pick-me-up in this dark, cold weather we've been having, at least around here. Let's do the soak next. So Scentsy Soak, if you haven't tried it, it is a bath salt, which includes lost my train of thought. It includes pink Himalayan salts, Epsom salts, so it's really soothing to sore muscles. Maybe you're in a new workout routine, maybe you've been shoveling snow, maybe you just need to chill and pretend you're on vacation for a little bit. So it's very relaxing. It also contains moisturizers like shea butter and sunflower oil, aloe, so it's really soothing. I love that this product rinses clean from the bathtub. There's no really messy residue, excuse me, like with some bath products, and the colors are super fun and the fragrances are beautiful. So you can see this really pretty pink color, which will color the water of your bath. It does foam a little bit when you pour it under the running water. You get out and your skin feels moisturized, and there is also available a body cream and a hand cream in this fragrance. So this is It's Love. It's the same as the Scentsy bar. Oh, the description is on here. Tangy tangerine, I knew there was citrus, raspberry blossom, and sparkling sugar. So again, that's available while supplies last. Each bag is 2 pounds. So this is good for several baths, depending on the size of your tub. You could have more or less. The last little goodie that I treated myself to, also in the It's Love fragrance, is one of our fragrance flowers. And I am gonna go ahead and set this up right now because I have, I need one in my upstairs bathroom. I have a little shelf on the wall behind my toilet, and it's the perfect size for a fragrance flower. So fragrance flowers are basically Scentsy's answer to reed diffusers. They've been around for a long time. The glass jars with the sticks sticking out of the top. I've heard some really funny stories of what people's kids have done with those. But anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get into this without hurting myself or damaging anything. I have scissors here. So what it is, it's a glass jar of fragrance oil. Again, this is in the It's Love fragrance, which is tangy tangerine, raspberry blossom, and sparkling sugar. And I always open these on video when I'm like having a hard time. Makes it really fun. But it's good that the bottle is wrapped so that there is no leakage in transit. Okay, so the jar is glass. It has Scentsy on it, but it's very subtle. The scent label is on top. I actually like to take that label off and stick it on the bottom of the jar, because by the time your oil all dries up in a couple of months, you might forget what fragrance it was. So I like to stick the label on the bottom of the jar. You open up this lid, then there's a stopper that you pull out. Try and do it carefully with my fingernails so I don't injure myself with the scissors. Oh, it's so pretty. Then there's this silver ring that also comes in the package. You just add that to the top. It just makes it look pretty. And then this is the best part. So instead of sticks, we have these beautiful handmade flowers. They're made of a really delicate wood. It's called sola wood. These are actually handmade by women in India. So it employs women, helps support them and their families. Each one is one of a kind and unique, so they sometimes vary a little bit. Sometimes there's a little spot on one of the petals. They do come in 2 styles. This is the Darling Dahlia style. The other style is called Buttercup Bell, and the Buttercup just has like bigger, rounder petals. Anyway, it has a thick cotton wick. It actually has a little wire in there, you can see, to keep it upright, so you can kind of arrange if you want your flower to stick out like this or stand up straight in the jar. But then you just pop this in, and then over the next day or so, the cotton wick and then the sola wood petals will absorb the oil, and as you pass by the flower, you'll get a little whiff of fragrance. Now this is a passive fragrance system. It's very different from our warmers or wall fan diffusers, which actively pump out fragrance. So don't expect to have the same experience with this, but it is the perfect little touch, maybe on a coffee table in the middle of a room where there's no plug, or on a windowsill or a little shelf in a bathroom, a bedside table. These also I find make perfect gifts, because even if the person you're gifting doesn't have a Scentsy warmer or wall fan or whatever the case may be, they can use this. Everything you need to use this is in the box. I will mention there is a warning that fragrance oil in general, any fragrance oil, no matter where it comes from, can damage surfaces and textiles and paint finishes. So if you're putting it on a piece of furniture or a painted surface, you might want to put a coaster underneath it, or like a little candle holder, slice of wood, anything. You could find something decorative that it will sit on, just to protect your wood and your painted surfaces, because if it does spill, it could cause damage. So just be careful with that. Anyway, those are the goodies I treated myself to last week, our newest releases. There's lots to come in the next few weeks, new wax collection, brand new catalog. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.